Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView screener for swing trading. First, navigate to the products menu on TradingView and select the stock screener option. Once there, choose your preferred exchange, such as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, to narrow down your search. For swing trading, it's best to set the time frame to daily to capture relevant price movements. Begin by applying broad filters like market capitalization, perhaps focusing on companies with a market cap above $1 billion. Next, let's refine our search for potential swing trades. It's crucial to filter by average volume, aiming for stocks with at least 500,000 shares traded daily to ensure good liquidity. Set a minimum share price, perhaps above $5, to avoid penny stocks. You can also add performance filters, looking for stocks that have shown positive movement over the last 1 month. Additionally, consider using relative volume to spot stocks with unusually high trading interest. Now, let's integrate technical indicators to pinpoint strong setups. Add the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and filter for values between 40 and 60, which often indicates a stock is neither overbought nor oversold, suggesting potential for a reversal. Incorporate the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, to confirm trend strength and direction. You can also look for specific candlestick patterns, such as bullish engulfing or hammer patterns, to identify entry points. Finally, review the list of stocks generated by your screener. This list provides excellent candidates for deeper chart analysis. Remember to save your custom screener settings so you can easily rerun it daily or weekly, saving you valuable time. You can also set up alerts for specific criteria, notifying you when a stock meets your swing trading parameters. Always perform your own comprehensive chart analysis on each potential trade before committing any capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.